Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking on graphics design full tutorials. I will be showing you or walking you through how to become a professional graphic designer and earn a living from the comfort of your home. All you just need to do is to get your tools and get this knowledge. You get the knowledge, I assure you that from the comfort of your home, you are going to earn a living. All you just need to do is to create a platform that will allow you to display what you can offer online, get your clients, design it from your home, get your pay, send their job to them, and earn a cool cash with simply knowledge what you can offer. So quickly get your machine, navigate yourself to your Corel software. I believe you might have installed it by now. Then you quickly click on open the software. Something of this nature will pop up to you. This is a new document, a new template. Open recent, as a recent job, and minimum. Okay, you can see some of my recent job here. Okay, so you can go to this place and click on new because we want to do something new. In this place you can put title, what exactly you want to design. Is it a logo? Do you have a name for it, so that you can just quickly be saving them with names without creating names on them? Okay, you can just write your name here. So instead of leaving it at this custom on this size, instead of leaving it at this custom, you can just name your design. What are you going to design? You can just name your design. Is it a letter words you're going to make? Is it a web banner? You can just quickly specify so that you will not need to use this resize, this height and weight. You can just quickly choose from this your size what exactly you want to produce. Is it an envelope? Is it a Lego? Is it letter? Is it tabloid? Whatever you want to create. Okay, so from there you can just click on okay. Now this is the interface. This is the bar. Okay, this is the toolbar, and this is the properties bar. Okay, and this side view here is the toolbox. This is the toolbox. So this is the hint. Should you lose the hint, because this hint gives you a guide on how you work on your objects. Okay, should you lose the hints, you can quickly go to Docker and go to hints. Okay, then it will get it back for you. Should you lost your color, go to window. You find whatever you lost, just go to your window and you all get it here. Okay, so we are going to look at CorelDRAW from the beginning. CorelDRAW from the scratch is what we are going to look at. So let's quickly start this. Here there is what we call a pick tool. In the pick tool there are also some tools in it. Whenever you see any arrow beneath a particular tool here, it shows that there's a lot of tools behind this. Okay, when you just click, you see there are freehand tool, freehand pick, and free transform. Okay, if you go to this place is called a shape tool, but it has a lot of tools also. in it. This place is called the zoom. The zoom. Okay, it has another tool in it, which is the pan. This place is called the freehand tools. These freehand tools, you can use it to draw. See, make something. Okay, this is what the freehand tools does. In the freehand tools, there is also a point line tool. This is a point line tool. You want to take a line from here, click and drag. Okay, this is a point line tool, and it also has a bezier. You see, it's how the bezier works. You can cover it to anything you want. So let's quickly start and see how really those tools works and how we can use those tools to create something. Okay, all you just need to do here, make sure you get the basics, so that by the time we're getting into it to the core, you'll be able to get everything along. So take this angle. You see, this is called a triangle. You can acquire it direct by just pressing F6 on your keyboard. By just clicking F6 on your keyboard. Okay, so before we can use this, I wish to paint it. Go to your paint color to here, paint it to any color you want. I always like pink. So the functions of this pick tool is to take this from one place to another. You can see it clearly. Okay, all right. Okay, if you go to the arrow, we still have a freehand tool. They almost work the same. You can use it to highlight. Okay, and in the tool we also have a free transform. You see, this free transform allow you to quickly transform an object to something unique. Okay, we return to the pick tool. That is all for this. You can take away this. Then we go to shape tool. This shape tool allow you to cut an object, edit curve object, or curve an object to any shape you want. Okay, let's try it on this. Hold this. Simple. You can see this is being curved. Okay, we can also use it to cut an object by simply converting the object to curve, and you can cut it to anything that you want. Okay, this is a function of a shape tool. You can return it to its initial stage by clicking this undo arrow or Ctrl Z on the keyboard. Okay, so we'll look into it again, and there is a tool we call smooth here under shape tool. Let me show you what it does. You can use it to soften an edges, to curve an edges too. See it? You click and you drag down, click and you drag. You can see, you can zoom in or zoom out with your mouse roller, or you come to this place and use the zoom tool. Okay, I come to this place and use the zoom tool. All right, let's undo it. You can undo it by using this arrow, or you click on Ctrl Z on the keyboard. Okay, so we'll go back there. There's a next arrow called snare. Let's see how we can use this snare on the subject. You see, you click, you drag, you click, you drag, you always click and you drag. So whenever you want to use this object, you just click on it, hold any angle that you want to disguise, and shape it to whatever you want. You can be creative than I do. Always hold those point line and drag it to anything that you want. So you check, and you can get something different like this. Okay, so we're going to take this off. We're done with this. Let me take another one for the sake of a tutorial. Okay, you can now go back here and take the next tool that we wish to use, drill. Let me show you what this drill can do. If you hold an edge here, you long press. You see this? Okay, you hold an edge here, you long press. You see, you can use this to design something important and better. See this? So this is how this works. This is how this works. Very simple. So don't forget, it only works on the edge. It only works on the edge. Now you can achieve this so quickly, and you can use it to get something different. You can use this to get something different. Okay, so you can check another one here. For the sake of the tutorials, we'll get another box and go back here. There is also an object we call a tool called attract here, rake here, smog here. It's very simple. You can look at that one on your own at your convenience. And check out the rake. This is the rake. If you want it bigger, you make it bigger. You see, it's a function of the rake. So you can quickly check on another here. So yeah, you take a look at the orders yourself. They are very simple. You can look at them. So this is used to cut, to resize. You see, you can resize here. This is what that simply means. So this is used for the zooming, And this is called the bezier tool. Draw a curve one segment at a time. You can draw a curve one segment at a time. So you see, I can use this to create a lot of things. You can say, okay, this is it. All I just need to do, add something a little to make it bigger. To make it bigger, can convert it to curve, can convert it to object, and just make something different with it. You see, so you know, I'll be doing something different with it. Okay, so that is for that. If you look at into it, it has some tools also, like freehand tool. This freehand tool allow you to draw anything. You can just draw something simple. You see, it allows you to draw a lot of things. Whatever you want to draw, this is a freehand sketch. You can sketch anything you want. You can sketch anything you want using just the freehand tool. Okay, so that takes us to another tool. The pen tool also does the same. You see, if you want to release it, you double click. They work similarly. You can also use it to draw a line, straight line. Okay, you can use it to draw a very straight line and curve it to anything you want. And curve it to anything you want. In graphic design, you really need to kind of be creative. You need to be very creative. Okay, so I can get a lot of unique things. Okay, nice for that. And also for this polygon, 3 diagonal, smart drawing, all those ones. See, I can just draw this, then you turn it to whatever you want. You see, you can turn it to whatever you want. So that is for that. Smart drawing tutor is what it works. You can use this to draw. Maybe for those of you who are good in drawing baby bush. You can use this to draw anything you want. Okay, so quickly. This is a smart drawing tool. You can use it to draw anything you want. Okay, okay, you can use it to quickly draw anything you want. So that is for that. So that takes us to another tool. So this is the artistic media tool. We refer this as an artistic media tool. Okay, so you can click and drag You click, you drag, you click and drag. So in this artistic media tools, you can choose any type of line that you want from this very place. You see, you can turn to this, you can turn to this, you can choose whatever you want from this very place. Okay, you choose whatever you want from this very place. Okay, now quickly look at this. This is an artistic media tool. Artistic media tool, you can change it to any color you want. It's an artistic media tool. Okay, so this is how really they work. The artistic media tool help you to, the essence of all these toolboxes is to help you to do something quicker. If not, there are still other ways you can design it if you want, but they helps in doing it quicker. They make it faster, like something of this nature. If you want to do this now, you will start designing, bring this out, bring that out, but the artistic media tools will help you to just do it one hand. That is why the artistic media tool is highly vital. Okay, so you can see if you want something like this, you can change it from here. So you can choose a lot of things that you want, how you want them to appear. So you can choose all of that from here. So if you want them to appear this way or this way, you can quickly decide from here. Okay, so you can quickly decide from here and see what you can do about it. So for the artistic media tools, we still need to look at some things, right? So if you are taking this, you decide what nature of artistic you want from this place. There are a lot of simple things here you might be kind of struggling to design. The artistic will help you to do it quickly, very quickly. Okay, you can get this symbol, this texture, and do something. You can also get this calligraphy. So the difference is just little. And it comes to this, you can still choose this. When you choose this, you can go to this place and take whatever that you want. Okay, they give you what you want in a quick time. That is their difference. If you come to this place, you can decide how you want them to appear. See, so you can use this now to get a better design and make a wall. You can use this to make a wall, and before you know it will look so different and your work will be very special. Okay, so that is for the artistic media tools. We'll get another box for the sake of this tutorial, and we'll look at this rectangle. This rectangle, in this place you can find a rectangle, bring it curve, or you want it straight. The advantage of this one, how you want it. Okay, so that is for this one. This is called the right rectangle, and this is called the 3-point rectangle too. Okay, they almost serve the same. So in this place is called what we call the ellipse. You can also achieve this too by pressing your F5, no, F7, sorry. By taking your F7 you can achieve that too equally. So all you just need to do is to get this ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. So draw an ellipse. In the ellipse tool there is 3-point ellipse. There's 3-point ellipse. See how this one be? So this 3-point ellipse, it depends on how you want it to appear. Okay, might want my own like this. You might want your own the other way. You can just quickly turn this to something that will look so nice. Just simply change this design in just quick way. In a very quick way, I could turn it to something quickly. So that is for this one. So for this we call it a polygon tool. You can achieve it by just clicking Y. This is a polygon tool. In the polygon tool we have a lot of tools. Let's free some space. So let's go to the polygon tools. This is what the polygon tools looks like. If you draw making a line and it's misbehaving, you can just hold your shift and it becomes straight. So if you have something of this nature, you can also change the volumes. You see, add or you reduce and make it anything you want. Change it to angle, right angle, rectangle. You can change it to anything you want. So in this place you can also get a star. Okay, if you're looking for a way to get a star, then this is the right place. In this star you can change their number. You can just create this now and make it anything that I want. Okay, so that is how the stars work. In this place there is also a complex star. In this complex star you can also add it, you can also decrease it and make it even 3. Okay, we go back there. There is also a graphic paper. All this toolbox helps you not to stress yourself. If you want a graphic box, you can just quickly go into this place, click and drag and make the number you want out of them. Okay, so for those of you who like doing engineering drawing, this will help you a lot. So going back here, there's still a spiral. This spiral, this is what it looks like. This is what the spirals look like. You can get the shape the way you want it. You can make it straight, you can make it down, you can color it, you can change it to whatever you want. So this is how the spirals work. Okay, that's how the spirals work. So in this place there is still another tools. We call it the basic shapes. You see this? For the suppose who like mathematical stuff. There's basic shapes. You go to this place, you can get any other shape you want from this shape. Maybe you want to take this, you can go back there, get your own shape that you want, how you want it. Okay, so all these ones, all they just do is to relieve stress. For those of you who like cartoons, you can just come here and get anything of that nature. Views. So symbol of affection. So you can also get this. So there is a lot more in CorelDRAW. You can get a lot. So all you just need to do is just you to be creative. That's your only duty. You just need to be creative. Get acquainted with those symbols, and any work in CorelDRAW will be easier for you. If you want an arrow, depending on the type of an arrow that you want, you can get it all from here. This one, a symbol that shows your cartoon talking, so you can do any of these. That symbol shows a word. Okay, so if you go back there, we have a flow chart. Still the same. So you can get any kind of a flow chart you want by just going up here, take your symbol. Okay, so that is for the flow chart. So that is for the flow chart. So you can undo them, delete them as well. So that takes us to another here, a banner shape. Like some of you see some things like this, where let's just make the little writing. Let's see. Alright, whatever you want here. It's a banner. So in this very place too, you can get a call out. I'll be showing somebody talking, a call out. Yeah. You can just simply do this. This is a call out. Okay. So in this, you can change it to, you can take any of those symbol that you want by checking this place. So you check in any of those ones, anyone that suits you is what you're going to take. Okay. So that brings us to the end of this tool. So we go to the next tool. The next tool is the alphabetical tools, the text tool. You can achieve it by just pressing F8, and also achieve a table as many as you can. Okay, you can achieve a table. You can make the table 8. You can make it bold. You can make it a lot more. Okay, so it depends on what you really want. So you can achieve all of this by simply using the tools on the toolbox, and this is used to write. You can write anything you want in this place, and it will be all. And it will be all. So we proceed quickly to the next, which is called the parallel dimension. See this? You can achieve this by simply doing this. It's called the parallel dimension. And you can choose the horizontal or vertical dimension of it. See? You can take something like this. You can as well do this. Okay. So that is for this. You can also take the angular version of it. You see, you'll be seeing some things like this sometimes in your mathematical textbook. You'll be seeing some things like this. Okay, you'll be seeing some things like this in your mathematical textbook. So you can still take another here. And don't forget, in this place you can make this to make your text position. You can use that to make your text position. And also this is a 3-point call out. It's a 3-point call out. Okay, and many more. So we move quickly to the next one. We move quickly to the next one. This is called a straight line, rounded right angle. You can see this one. It depends on how you want it to be placed. So these ones are very simple. They're just symbols. You can look at them. If you want to edit any of this anchor, use that. So these ones are just symbols. So these are extrude. In this extrude, let's look at it from the beginning. Let's look at this extrude from the beginning. So from the beginning, it's a shadow. It's a shadow drop. From the beginning, it's a shadow drop. So from the beginning, it's a shadow drop. So let's see how we can use it. I have an object here. You see, this can be used to simply drop a shadow, depending on the place that you want the shadow to be dropped. See, you want it this way, or you want it down behind. You can reshape it to any size that you want. You can throw the shadow aside. You see, so that is for the shadow. So that is it. Then in this, you can check there is what we call a contour. Let me show you how really this contour works. This contour shift aside. See, and you can give it another size. You see, this is what the contour does. You can change the behind color and many more. So if you understand fully those basics, and don't forget, you can also copy the contour. You can also copy the contour. So it accelerates or adjusts the rate at which the size and color of an object change in contour. So that's how the contours work. The most important thing is for you to understand those basics, these Corel Draw basics, and believe me, you will start something very important on your own. Very, very important. You start something very good, profitable, and very important for yourself to beautify your future. So in this, we also have a blend. Let me show you how this blend tools work. So with this toolbox, you can achieve something big and different. 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 So you can also quickly look at into that. You see. Okay. Escape something. So if you click on this, then you can hold this to draw it down, or you can simply go into achieve. It's something of this nature, of which is going to bring out a perfect line. In this, you can change it to any color that you want. Okay, you can change it to any color that you want. And also at times you can make something like this and also this, then you drag this, you see, that's what you get. Maybe you'll be seeing something of this nature and you're wondering. Okay, you can shift it to anything that you want. You can make it a seat, and there are many more. And if you wish, you will not color it, you will not fill each space. You can just color the outlines, you see, by right click. Use your right click and just color the outlines. Okay, and you can as well still do something of this nature like this and still use the blend tool on them, you see, and color the outline and forget about it. Change it to anything that you want, see, you can make it something of this nature. So with this you can create a beautiful basket. Okay, so that takes us to another. In this place we have a distort. Let me show you what the distort looks like. Let me show you what the distort looks like. You see, can't change anything for you. For you people that are good at creating little things like flowers and many more, like flowers and many more, you can use this to make a perfect design for yourself. Let's say this. I can make this now combination of this and freehand tool or the pen tool will give me something. Or better still, let me check for each one do I use. See, before you could understand, I have started making a flower, believe me. You see, so the next thing that I'll just need to do is to get my stick, get my pencil and draw a stick. So whenever I just draw a stick now, it will get me something so attractive and beautiful. You can just come to this place, make it a bit thicker, and change my color to green by right clicking. Come to this place, click on this one and make a proper adjustment on it, so that whenever you see this it will look real and so beautiful. I can blend it, I can change the rope size to anything that I want here. So before you can understand, I've started making something beautiful, or I've made something beautiful. You see this? So in graphics, all you just need to do is to be very creative. Is to be very creative. That is all you need to do. I can use this my artistic tool to create something like grass. To create something like grass or fruits. So I can use that to make a lot of designs. This should be coming out. So I can use it and start creating some things here. Start creating some things here, and it will be very amazing when you see it. Okay, you can try it on your own. You get something special. So if I wish now, all I just need to do, I'll just copy this and mirror it off. And make it something good. So before you could know, we'll get something good. So in graphics, don't forget, all you just need to do is just be creative and everything is okay. If you are just be creative and everything will be okay with you. And you see this. How do you see it? Isn't it beautiful? Very, very beautiful. Okay, so that is what this contour, this thought can do for you. And this envelope, you can just see it. Let me show you how it works. You can see envelope and be wondering how it comes about it, right? Okay, this is a simple design of it. Go back here. No, go back here. Where is in the envelope? Hold anywhere here. It's very simple. Well, let me show you. This is how you do it. You first duplicate, or okay, you first duplicate. That's what you do. Or you draw and right click. But it will be the best and simpler way if you first duplicate. See this? You first duplicate, then you pick your envelope, you click, you see this. So if you wish now, you can just color it. See this? Before you will understand, you have something different. Graphics is just calculation. Okay, graphics is just calculation, just for you to be creative, and that is all. Just be creative. Okay, that is for this. So, and this is what we call a transparent tools here. Transparent tools here. So transparent tools, let me show you how it works. Click on this. You see, put any color here. Okay, you can see something is filled up. Okay, let's color it first. You see the transparent parts. Okay, you can just, you see this, you can just say okay, fade this out, fade this out. This is how it works. That's for the transparent tools. I'm going to be a bit fast here for the sake of this tutorial. This is called a color eyedrop. Let me show you how this works. This is a color eyedrop. Maybe you want a particular color from a different object, maybe like this. Click and drop. Okay, so if you take this, you drop here, drop the color, take this again, take this and drop here. This is the function of this one. Should you want to mix colors and all those things, you know. So that is for that. And this what is it called? Interactive fill tool. Let me show you how it works. Interactive fill tools, you can just draw here. Should you want to put a lot of different color on your design, you can just come here and click here. Oh, sorry, this is the one that is still selected. Is this one that is working? Okay, come to this place, put black, you can double click here, and also put a separate color here. Okay, now we have how many? You can still come here, or better still here, and put this one here. You see a sharp white color. Okay, you see what this is, right? You can just come to this place, remove these outlines, it becomes something different automatically. Okay, I can just come to this place, come and take this extrude, and change this to something automatically. You see, graphics is calculation, is so awesome, is so beautiful. All you just need to do is just calculate, think, do something unique, do something different. Okay, and last but not the least, the smart fill tool. The smart fill tool, this help you to drop colors anywhere you want. Maybe I just do something of this nature and also cut it again here, and I want to drop two different colors. You see, so this is just simply how it works. Okay, so please, thank you so much for watching. This brings us to the end of these tutorials. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, turn on the notification bell, and smash the like buttons so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you immediately. Please also assist to share. If you want to download this, you can go to, I'll share a link that you can get it from there and download it. And if you want any of my graphics, I'll drop a links to my blog so that you can follow me up, see my designs. And if you want me to assist you or to mentor you one-on-one, there's no P. I will be there for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful. See you in my next video. Bye.